Want to add a website link to your X profiles so others can easily find your content? In this video, I'll show you how to do it quickly and correctly. Start by opening the X app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. From there, select your profile name to open your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, tap the Edit Profile button. This will open all the fields you can customize, including your bio, name, and other details. Scroll down until you find the website field. Tap on it, then carefully type or paste the link you want to add. Make sure the URL is correct so people can access it without any issues. After entering your website, take a moment to review your changes. When you're ready, tap Save in the top right corner to apply everything. That's it. Your website link will now appear on your profile, making it easier for others to visit your page directly from your bio. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.